Good morning. So this month I have been building my own deck, and I had a big pile of lumber on this tarp. So this tarp has been here for a little over a month, and it just so happens to coincide with the Brood X cicada swarm on the East Coast. So if anybody's wondering what would happen if you kept a tarp on the ground while the cicadas were coming up, let's find out, shall we? So this is what's happening underground right now. Hey buddy. If you lay down a tarp for too long during a cicada swarm. You can see them down in their holes, coming out, very confused, wondering why the sun didn't come up. Well, today's the day, buddies. Maybe we'll just take you, lots of your friends, and let you crawl towards a nice tree. That's what you want, right? There you go. Off you pop. Happy Friday, everybody.